Hello everyone and welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today I'm going to be making this delicious chocolate coconut bounty. And these are the three ingredients I'm going to be using to make this. This is a snack idea for your kids to take to school and also to enjoy at home with family and friends and whatever it is you want to use it to do. So I'm just pouring out my coconut, desiccated coconut is literally like dehydrated coconut shavings. So I have about 2 cups, 2.25 cup in total. And this is my chocolate bar I bought from a baking store around. And this is condensed milk, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of it. So it's so easy to make. It's just for you to mix up all the ingredients together. And I used my microwave to melt my chocolate just for about 1 minute in your microwave. So the first step is to mix the condensed milk and the coconut together. After mixing it, so this is the chocolate all melted. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to be making this or you just rather buy? I went to a shop around my area some time ago and I saw this bounty and they told me 1.5 for one stick, one tiny stick of it. So, and I had this condensed milk at home after using a little bit of it to make ice cream. So I was thinking of what to do with the rest and I decided to try this out. And the result was okay. The only part I didn't like was this making it into these shapes. That's the only stressful part of this. The rest is very easy and straightforward. So after making it into these bounty shapes, I'll let it chill in the freezer for a few minutes. Now this is out of the freezer and you just dip it into your chocolate mixture and gently bring it out. And put it on your parchment paper and you're taking this back to the fridge one more time, the freezer one more time for it to properly chill. You have to be fast with this part so that the chocolate doesn't get frozen again and also the coconut mixture doesn't defrost. So that's just the trick about this part. And when you are done, you just pack it and you have snacks for your kids. Whenever they are disturbing you for snacks, just give them one or two of it and they will enjoy it. And here I'm done with making them. I just brought them out from the freezer and this is what I have. So I decided to just wrap it up like this and store, and I stored it in my freezer. So you can store it in an airtight container and keep it in your fridge or your freezer. And it comes in very handy, especially this holiday season for the kids. And even when school resumes, you can also add it to their snack box. Isn't that interesting? Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos, and share this with your family and friends and whoever you think will be interested in this video. So this is Becky's chocolate coconut bounty. Yes, I got quite a good number of it. For something they sell one stick for 1.5, this is good. This is good. So just give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.